Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming access. Make sure you have the parent account email, password, and the phone or email used for verification. Once signed in at Epic Games.com or in the Epic Games launcher, go straight to Account Settings, then Parental Controls. You're doing this now so you can remove restrictions securely, and you'll need the verification code if two-factor authentication is active. Enter it when prompted. This first step is crucial because it unlocks the control panel where the toggles and PIN live. Once verified, you'll see the Parental Controls panel. This is where you act. If a PIN is set, enter it. To remove controls, choose the option to disable or enter a new PIN, and then disable specific locks like purchases, chat, or mature content. Make changes one category at a time so you can test effects. Keep in mind why each toggle exists. Purchases guard spending, chat controls protect communication, and content filters limit age-inappropriate material. Save each change to ensure settings persist across devices. Finish by saving every change and signing out, then sign back in on the child's device to confirm restrictions are lifted. If you still see controls, clear the app cache or reinstall the Epic Games launcher to force sync and make sure the child's device is online so settings update. If a PIN is forgotten or verification codes fail, contact Epic support. Document account details to speed recovery. One troubleshooting tip: if settings revert, check for multiple parent accounts or family links that may reapply controls automatically.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.